Structure number 25. Future perfect passive. The work will have been completed by tomorrow. काम कल तक पूरा कर दिया गया होगा. The homework will have been checked by the teacher. Homework शिक्षक द्वारा जांच लिया गया होगा. The homework will have been checked by the teacher. The room will have been cleaned by morning. कमरा सुबह तक साफ कर दिया गया होगा. The room will have been cleaned by morning. The letter will have been sent by evening. चिट्ठी शाम तक भेज दी गई होगी. The letter will have been sent by evening. The project will have been finished next week. परियोजना अगले सप्ताह तक पूरी कर दी गई होगी. The project will have been finished next week. The food will have been cooked by noon. खाना दोपहर तक पका दिया गया होगा. The food will have been cooked by noon. The invitation cards will have been printed soon. निमंत्रण कार्ड जल्द ही छप गए होंगे. The invitation cards will have been printed soon. The documents will have been submitted by Friday. दस्तावेज शुक्रवार तक जमा कर दिए गए होंगे. The documents will have been submitted by Friday. The house will have been painted by tomorrow. घर को कल तक रंग दिया गया होगा. The house will have been painted by tomorrow. The exam results will have been announced by next month. परीक्षा परिणाम अगले महीने तक घोषित कर दिए गए होंगे. The animals will have been fed by morning. जानवरों को सुबह तक खाना खिला दिया गया होगा. The animals will have been fed by morning. The complaint will have been registered. शिकायत दर्ज कर ली गई होगी. The complaint will have been registered. The crops will have been harvested by next week. फसलें अगले सप्ताह तक काट ली गई होंगी. The crops will have been harvested by next week. The invitation will have been accepted. निमंत्रण स्वीकार कर लिया गया होगा. The invitation will have been accepted. The data will have been saved on the computer. Data कंप्यूटर में सेव कर दिया गया होगा. The data will have been saved on the computer. The chairs will have been arranged in rows. कुर्सियां पंक्तियों में लगा दी गई होंगी. The chairs will have been arranged in rows. The bills will have been paid by the office. बिल कार्यालय द्वारा चुका दिए गए होंगे. The bills will have been paid by the office. The medicines will have been arranged properly. दवाइयां ठीक से व्यवस्थित कर दी गई होंगी. The medicines will have been arranged properly. The speech will have been written by tomorrow. भाषण कल तक लिख दिया गया होगा. The speech will have been written by tomorrow. The clothes will have been washed by then. कपड़े तब तक धो दिए गए होंगे. The clothes will have been washed by then. The hall will have been decorated for the event. कार्यक्रम के लिए हाल सजाया जा चुका होगा. The hall will have been decorated for the event. The garden will have been watered by evening. बगीचे में शाम तक पानी दे दिया गया होगा. The garden will have been watered by evening. The movie tickets will have been booked by tonight. फिल्मी टिकटें आज रात तक बुक हो गई होंगी. The movie tickets will have been booked by tonight. The rules will have been changed by next year. नियम अगले सप्ताह तक बदल दिए गए होंगे. The rules will have been changed by next year. The parcel will have been delivered by afternoon. पार्सल दोपहर तक पहुंचा दिया गया होगा. The parcel will have been delivered by afternoon. The report will have been prepared by then. The report will have been prepared by then. रिपोर्ट तब तक तैयार कर दी गई होगी. The books will have been distributed among students. किताबें छात्रों में बांट दी गई होगी. The books will have been distributed among students. The roads will have been repaired before winter. सर्दियों से पहले सड़कें ठीक कर दी गई होंगी. The roads will have been repaired before winter. The meeting will have been scheduled by the manager. बैठक मैनेजर द्वारा निर्धारित कर दी गई होगी. The meeting will have been scheduled by the manager. The fees will have been collected by the school. शुल्क स्कूल द्वारा वसूल कर लिया गया होगा. Thank you.